for being here in our studio. We really appreciate it. It was about a year ago that we found out about you guys, and you guys were going to be stopping by. Now, it was a sold-out show. It was Sound Academy. I don't know if you guys remember the Sound Academy show.
Very much.
Yes. And tickets, unfortunately, were going on sale for hundreds and hundreds of dollars from scalpers, and everyone just trying to sell tickets because it was completely sold out. And then we got a call, and we found out that you guys are going to be playing here in our studio. And fans went ballistic. It was much like this a year ago today. You performed brilliantly. And we have an award show. It's called the Casbys, Canadian Artist Selected by You. Now, because your performance was so incredible, we are going to honor you with a Casby Award. It is not a Grammy. It's not a Grammy, but I mean, we think it's close to a Grammy, right? It's close. After your performance last year, we had people calling like crazy because they wanted to hear you live on the radio. We had everyone requesting the song, so I would like to say congratulations. Your first ever favorite Edge session, Mumford & Sons, Casby. I think the music does the speaking, so please help me welcome Mumford & Sons.
Together we can see what we will find. Don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover inside. Told me that I would find a home within the fragile substance of my soul, and I have filled this void with things unreal. All the while my character is steel. Darkness is the hostel, don't you think? Yeah, it's only makes the things I see. Seems that all my bridges have been burnt, but you say that's exactly how this grace thing works. It's not the long walk home that will change this heart, but the welcome I receive when the restart. Darkness is a hostel, don't you think? Yeah, it's only makes the things I see. Darkness is a hostel, don't you think? Yeah, it's only makes the things I see. Oh! But you've gone too far this time. You have neither reason nor rhyme with which to take this soul that is so rightfully mine.